My dad's last video showed you how to keep your stressless ottoman together or to put it back together when it falls apart. But if it keeps falling apart, we've developed a solution that will keep it from falling apart forever. Watch on to find out more.
Just by repeatedly fixing our stressless stool, the holding bracket keeps coming off. I'm going to show you a solution for this problem. You select the appropriate size screws, and we're going to drill a pilot hole through the bracket. Like that. Now we're going to countersink this so the screw head will sit down just a little bit. Okay. There we go. So that'll be good. Okay, we're going to take the base off now, and we're going to take the pre-drilled piece and insert it into its normal position, and then we're going to take a drill. Now we don't want to drill all the way through, so I've marked the length of the screw with some blue tape. I'm just going to drill a hole in here. There we go. Make sure that your drill is adequate size, so that, because this is very hard wood. After I drill the hole, I'm going to put a little bit of soap on it to facilitate sinking of the screw, and then we'll just put the screw in. Now we've got this pre-drilled, pre-tapped. We're going to take it off and then reassemble this so we can lock this in place permanently. We're ready to assemble now. So we take the base and then we insert it into position. And then we're going to take the bracket and put it in place. There we go. Got it. The stool is ready. Let's unlock it here. And we're ready to swing around, Lena.
Do I have to be?
We're ready to try this out, and this should be child-proof, and this should never come apart again. Thank you. I hope that was helpful. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.